Morning, Corpus Christi, as you're headed out the door this morning. 79 degrees is what it feels like as you're headed out the door, or that's your actual temperature. The feels like temperature is already 83 degrees. So let's talk about those heat index values. If you want to get outside, walk the dog before it starts to feel like it's 90 degrees, you're going to want to do that all before 10:30. Then we're going to see our heat index values stay above that 90-degree mark all the way through the afternoon, likely reaching a heat index value around 100 this afternoon around 3:45. We are in the triple digits for that heat index across our western counties as well. Then notice by 8 o'clock we fall under that 90-degree mark for our heat index value, but the sun is also setting about that time. So yeah, then we start it all over again. We may stay just a tad cooler tomorrow through the morning, with it being around 88 degrees for your feels like temperature through 11:30. Here's a look at what we're dealing with. We have high pressure kind of parked over southern Mississippi and Alabama. That is bringing up that hot and humid air coming off the Gulf of Mexico. So you can see our dew points are on the high side. I want to point out this feature right here. This is the dry line that is separating that brown dry air. It's not actually brown, but the dry air over here coming off the mountains through New Mexico. That dry air is separated from the moist air. Now, when you think of hot and humid air, you think we should be getting some thunderstorms, some rain. Well, one major feature we're missing is an additional form of lift, and that comes in that dry line. So you will see thunderstorms developing along that dry line across West Texas and up into the Texas Panhandle today. However, these storms are not going to make it into South Texas. There's a chance for a spotty shower, but I don't expect much of anything for us. We are still looking very dry, and as you can see, heading into the afternoon and evenings, we do clear conditions out. So we still are expecting some periods with extreme UV index with lots of sunshine. So don't forget the sunscreen. 90 degrees there, your 3 p.m. temperature. Winds out of the southeast around 18 miles per hour. Lows overnight still on the mild side, but they're starting to get a tad cooler. Our dew point is actually lowering as we continue throughout the week. And by lowering, I mean around 76 today. We're going to get down to around 70, maybe upper 60s for our dew points by the end of the week, but we're still keeping those temperatures in the 70s. We are stuck in this pattern that is going to continue to lead to that consistent weather. We start to see a bit more zonal flow sticking around, and that's going to lead to these temperatures staying very consistent. Here's what you need to know. Warm and humid, more of the same on Wednesday. I see ditto on Thursday, ditto again on Friday, but we are getting a little warmer as we head into the weekend. We will have mostly sunny skies by then as well. John Thomas, Barbie.